In today's fast-paced digital world, making money doesn't have to mean sitting in an office from 9 to 5. In this video, we're diving deep into 5 realistic and actionable ways you can start making money in 2025, whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, freelancer, or just someone looking to boost your income. First up is freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even social media management, there's a market for you online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you to clients worldwide who are willing to pay for your services. You can start small and grow your client base over time. Second, we have dropshipping, a business model where you sell products online without ever handling them yourself. With platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, you can build a store, connect it with a supplier like AliExpress, and let them handle the inventory and shipping while you focus on marketing and customer service. Paragraph 2. The third method is content creation. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a TikTok page, or even a podcast, content creation can become a full-time income stream. All you need is a niche, something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in, and the consistency to show up. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and product sales are just a few ways content creators make money. Fourth is online tutoring or coaching. If you're good at something, math, language, business, or even a unique skill like truck dispatching, you can teach it to others. Platforms like Teachable, Zoom, or even Instagram Live allow you to host classes and sessions from anywhere. Lastly, consider selling digital products like ebooks, templates, planners, or online courses. These products require effort up front, but once created, they can generate passive income for months or years to come. So, whether you try one or combine several, these 5 ways are your ticket to financial freedom. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to start with, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real money tips.